Join me in unboxing the newly released Day 1 Asus ProArt PX13, equipped with also a newly released Ryzen AI 9 HX370. Let's unbox it. Let's take a quick look at the Asus dial pad. To turn it on, simply touch the small circle at the upper right corner of the pad and slide downwards to the left. As you can see, this light is on. To turn it off, just repeat. Let's turn it back on. To adjust the dial settings and functions, simply hold the light or the middle of the dial pad. I will not get into too much details, but I did choose volume and screen brightness. Do note that you can customize the dial for even more functions. Now to bring that up, lightly touch the light. Use the dial to choose from your own options. Tap. Use the dial pad to adjust the parameters. After a few seconds of no interaction, it will disappear. These are some of the few tips and tricks using the gestures on your touchpad. With one finger, we can move the cursor, tap once to select, tap twice and hold to drag, or quickly tap twice to open an app. With two fingers, we can tap to execute a right click. We can also hold and scroll up and down. We can pinch diagonally to resize. And with three fingers, we can tap to bring the search bar, or scroll down to see the desktop again, scroll up to go back to the main app, and scroll up again to see all other open apps. Another cool thing with three fingers is we can swipe right to switch apps. Lastly, with four fingers, we can tap to view the notification panel. And swipe right to go to a secondary desktop. And there you go. Just a disclaimer, I did not get this unit for free. We ordered it from Best Buy. This review was made possible thanks to my beautiful wife for giving me this wonderful gift. This beast is amazing. My only gripe, for the price of $1,700 and for calling it Pro Art. They should have at least included a pen. By the way, I'm using the PX13's camera and mic for this last part. So, what do you think about this convertible notebook? If you got questions or want a more detailed review, leave a comment down below. If you learned something or you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. My name is Edward, and thank you for watching.